Hey guys, welcome back. Legion here with you again, like always, back on the DNS Tech Pack server here with Otis, and we've been busy. So, since last episode, which was just a few hours ago, if you want to be realistic, I made all the pieces and parts for the multi-blocks for Immersive Engineering, but I have not whacked them with a hammer yet to get them to activate. I did take down the coal coke thingy because we have 32 buckets, and I think that might be enough for now. So Otis has been working on agricraft, and we have set up a nice little farming situation, which I hope in this episode we're going to finish putting together and maybe get the generators up and running.
Mm-hmm.
So explain agricraft and to me that's in a dumb person version.
The best way I could say it is it's selectively breeding. If you mouse over, you see the whaler there. You have your growth, gain, and strength.
Yep.
You go over to these, you can see the middle one, not the edges, because I didn't analyze those ones. The middle one there is 10, 10, 10. That's your max.
Mm-hmm.
Your growth is how fast opposite grows. Gain and your strength is just all the stats are good to have. And basically it increases how quickly they come out. And obviously with our harvester there, we now have a good amount of stuff going, which is a little bit with even just the basic watering can. Things grow very quickly. And without the watering can. That was with the watering can there.
Oh, I have the particles off. Yeah, I see it now.
Okay.
It grows fast.
Yeah, even without the watering can, it goes fast. But
so
and basically, when you put two of these like this together, you can see that's 4-3. It's 4-3-3 and then 4-3-4. You use crops here. You put 4 sticks in your personal crafter. I use the watering can to speed it up. Oh, that's weeds. Weeds are bad. Use a rake on those. And let's see. I think you got those ones. No, I have some unidentified. You put them in the seed analyzer, and I have 4-3-4. That was not much of a gain at all, if any.
So you just keep doing that back and forth, kind of growing them together, side by side.
And eventually you get yourself up to a 10-10.
Cool. Alright, so we're working towards making biodiesel. So the first thing we need to deal with is making plant oil, which we're going to need pumpkin seeds, industrial hemp, or melon seeds. So we have pumpkins growing, and we have pumpkins right here. We have 256, and we can, I guess, craft those into that. Maybe I'll go get like a Steve's Factory Manager, and so that will probably, until our hemp seeds kind of catch up, because I just planted this planter down. So what Otis found out is if you're doing it with agricraft, it does not give you any seeds. It only will give you the hemp fiber right here. That's why I say I have 265. So I just put down a planter under here to do it with the Ep4 way. So you see it already got 7 built up. So I guess we can just run that for now. And then once we get on to making ethanol, we're going to have sugar cane. And maybe potatoes too. And my phone's beeping. Turn that off. So you've already got 10s of sugar cane.
Mm-hmm.
And that's building up already at 212. So really we could actually go ahead and start the system. So let me show you my wiring. So that the MFR, the harvester's putting into a chest, and then it's extracting out there, And then I have a filter on this planter saying only accept hemp seeds. And then it's routed behind the wall, and you can see over there to the caches. So my idea, after Otis and I talked about it a little bit, is we're going to use this dense item duck, and you can see the tooltip increases the path length dramatically. So I'm probably going to put that here so that things over here, cross over here, where this other pipe comes out, we'll put filters on these two machines, both the squeezer and the fermenter. We'll put filters on here so it will hit these inventories first before going over there if the filter says it's okay to go there. That's my plan, at least. And then I ran some fluid duct back to grab the biodiesel and send it back over there to the generator room. So that's kind of the plan, but everybody knows how my plans usually go. So, I guess the first thing to do is let's go ahead and multi-block the machines up. Have you seen these machines yet?
I've seen them in person.
Oh, you want to come check them out?
I'm kind of curious to see. Yep.
Alright, so I believe you just whack it. Yep. Right click it. Oh, it has to be the middle block. So that's the fermenter, and that is a squeezer. And here is the refinery. Now the tricky thing I remember is I don't know which one's the front and which one's the back.
Ooh.
The front of the refinery was a fluid output, whereas the inputs energy supplied to the connector at the back. Well, this must be the front, and that must be the back. Excellent. So we'll just do it like that, and then we'll just pipe out of here right into the sides of the refinery. Nice, and that guy's already got power. Alright, so let's start setting this up. Let me grab some samples of everything. Still gotta put the dense fiber in, so we're going to allow pumpkin seeds, pumpkins, sugar canes, hemp seeds. And what can we use melon for?
I thought you said the melon seeds were good?
Melon can go towards melon seeds and melon, both we can use. So maybe we'll send pumpkin seeds, and hemp to be making plant oil, and then we'll send sugarcane and melons to make to the ethanol. Cool. That'll work. Alright, let's get these filters set up before I make a mess. So here is a squeezer. And a squeezer we're going to allow there we go. Now you get power. Now, can I just pump right into that? Maybe. Filter. So what'd I say? Pumpkin seeds and hemp seeds. Pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds. Yes. Whitelist. Sweet. And what I may do as well is maybe just grab a Steve's Factory Manager, or maybe just an Ender.io crafter or an RF Tools crafter, and just stick that down right here to turn pumpkins into pumpkin seeds. Cool. Alright, now this guy over here. Grab another filter. You are going to whitelist for sugar, cane, and melons. Okay. Now, let me go figure out, what do you think we should use? Just like, you think Steve's Factory Manager is the easiest?
Probably the easiest. Everything else is going to require power.
Well,
which we have.
Yeah, we're not going to be short on power, I don't think. I'm making a Z-Logic controller, so that's out. That's pretty cheap. Mega Crafter Tier 1. Okay.
Yeah, RF Tools Crafter is actually quite nice.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, I'll do a cut, make that, and we'll kind of continue on with the build. Alright, and we're back. So, I've made Crafter Tier 1. So I guess we can do something like this. Bang down another filter there for pumpkins. And recipe 1. Apply. Apply. Sweet. And we'll do this back to there. And we'll throw a servo on there to activate it. Oh, redstone signal off. Hopefully that's gonna work. Oh. Excellent. Alright, so now we're making plant oil. So that way this will take pumpkins, pumpkin seeds, and what else you set for? Hemp seeds, which is the most. Very nice. And now probably the next thing I need to do is slap down this DIMPS item duct and hook everything up. Okay, you go there, and you go there. So, I'm thinking this should work. Let's give it a try. So let's take a stack of pumpkin seeds, stack up that. We only have 36 oh. That. Let's see how well it works. Bam, 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 bam. So let's make sure this is working. Might have to increase that servo over there.
Oh yeah, it's only got 3 slots, doesn't it?
No, I mean just like the extract rate is probably going to be a little bit lower since it's just a basic servo. Thought we could just slap a new servo on there. Alright, moment of truth, moment of truth. Yes, it's working. Oh,
what just happened?
Blew up. There's a creeper literally right there. As I flew up, he blew. Okay. You're on fast mode. So it's probably taking a little while to get over here, but we'll check that in a second. We fix this. So that's what? Fluid duct. Yes, that is working. And that should be working as well. So let's worry about getting the 2 liquids over to the refinery, which I'm hoping is going to be easy as that right there. Bam. Bam. Turn that to disabled. Turn that to disabled. And now, it should just be the waiting game. Oh, it's working. Otis, it's working.
Ooh.
We already have 2.5 buckets of biodiesel. Nice.
And this we can pump into one of the immersive engineering engines, and it will put off some pretty decent power.
Mm-hmm. So it puts out
Nice.
4,096 RF a tick.
Wow.
Yeah. So, yeah. I believe you can put a lever right here, which I should have some in my backpack.
Oh, like as an on-off switch kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So, nice. Well, that should work pretty cool then. Alright. Let me go get some more fluid ducts. And I'm going to get the diesel generator set up. So I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, I'm back. So, got some more fluid ducts. So you go there. I'll slap a server on there, but we're not going to activate it yet. Okay. And come over here. Got the generator built. And where can we pipe in fluid at? Fuels input at the bottom corners. Okay. Just clear all this crap out the way. Can we go there? Like that. And then power is split up here. So the bad thing is that flex ducts, these right here, only transport 800 RF a tick. There is 3 connection points. Must already got power. Or fuel. Yeah. Must have. But these can only transfer 800 RF a tick. This puts out 4,000 RF a tick. So we are going to be severely handicapping ourselves with what we can do here. So the good thing is, at least it's up and running. Now we have a good source of power to move on. Very cool. That. I'd like to have that power built up a little bit. So, no. It should be external. That's why. That's why it's gotten a bit backlogged. We'll just clear that out. Alright, so you are set to export, or external, finally. And okay. You're building up a plant oil, and you are still sending diesel, biodiesel. Put you in there. I want to see this kind of build up a backlog. But you would think this would not be going up if this was empty. So I'm thinking that might be a little graphical issue. We'll see. Alright, let me check on a few things and I'll be right back. Alright guys, well I think I'm okay with calling this a complete build. You know, we got automated gathering of the seeds. We just need to let the backlog fill up, making biodiesel and a diesel generator. I think I definitely need to work on better transfer cables. And the next one I guess is what? Redstone flux duct, which I'm going to have a fluid transposer. And we're going to make some of that. Or we could go with indirect conduits. 5,000 RF tick or 20,000. I don't know. I'll play with it. Let me see. I'll see what I can come up with. I think we're definitely going to start working on AE because Otis and I are both like, can we do AE today? I'm like, nope, not yet. So that will probably be coming very soon. Otherwise, have a great day. I'll see you guys.